If you like what you see here at the channel, please like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps me, and I can get more content out, and I can answer the questions that you may have in your comic book quest for conservation. In the world of comic book collecting, certain issues stand out as true treasures, and one such gem is Avengers number 4. This legendary comic book has earned its place as one of the most coveted collectibles of all time. Beginning in 1964, a time when comic book landscape was undergoing a remarkable transformation, the Silver Age of comics was in full swing, and Marvel Comics was at the forefront of this revolution. In Avengers number 4, something extraordinary happened. The return of a legend. Imagine a world where superheroes were born, and Captain America was a symbol of hope during World War II. But after the war, Cap disappeared in the annals of history. That is, until Avengers number 4 hit the stands. In this issue, the iconic shield slinger Captain America made his Silver Age debut, emerging from the icy depths of time. This resurrection was a monumental moment not just for the Avengers, but for comic book history itself. So what makes Avengers number 4 such a collectible comic book? Let's unlock the secrets. First, its rarity. Finding a well-preserved copy of this issue is no small feat. The passage of time has made high-grade copies increasingly scarce, elevating its value among the collectors. Second, nostalgia. For many, Avengers number 4 holds a special place in their hearts. It represents their childhood, a time when superheroes ignited their imagination, created emotional connections that drive collectors to seek it out. Third, the Avengers legacy. The Avengers franchise has grown into a global phenomenon, both in comics and on the big screen. Key issues like this are the foundation of that legacy, making them even more sought after. In the world of comic book collecting, Avengers number 4 isn't just a piece of paper with ink. It's a piece of history. It represents the rebirth of a beloved character, a time when comics were changing the world, and the birth of a phenomena that continues to captivate audiences today. So the next time you come across an Avengers number 4, remember it's not just a collectible comic book. It's a testament to the enduring power of storytelling, artistry, and the undying love fans have for their favorite superheroes. Well, can it be saved? This is a wonderful book to have in your collection. It is what we refer to as a blue chip grail. This is the first appearance of Captain America in the Silver Age. This is the book he gets thawed out and joins the Avengers. However, as you can see, this book, it's got some somewhat good gloss. Let's look at it in some raking light. It's horribly distressed on the cover. It has a horrible spine roll. It's got tape residue. I thought this was tape at first when I first saw it, but somebody has taken and done me a favor and removed the old tape. However, they left the residue, and this is always a challenge to get rid of. I do have a piece of Scotch tape holding the binding together. The staples, I can't tell if they are original or not. I need to measure this book. It looks like it may have been trimmed over here, or maybe it was just a bad roll. One way or the other, we are going to do what we can to save this book. So all the pages seem to be intact. So really, I think we're going to do a full deacidification on all the pages. Let's go through this a little bit. Yep, and it looks like the book was indeed, let me pull this forward. It looks like the spine was indeed taped in. This is Scotch tape. It looks like it's fairly recent. So we're going to have to separate the wraps from the cover. That'll be one of the first things. We do have some corners missing. We'll replace these corners with Tengoji paper. Of course, after it's been de-acidified. I noticed there was some stains in here. We don't know what they are. We usually see foxing on the covers, but it is possible to be on the inside. There's a piece of tape here on the repair. So this book will be completely disassembled. This will be quite a journey. So I will create a playlist for this, and you can follow along with me as we go through everything and remove all the little pieces of tape. Yep, that is Scotch tape. Yes, this is going to be a bit of a challenging book. What I was looking for was the center wrap to see if the staples have additional holes. That's a direct sign that the staples were replaced. It looks like they did a repair on the centerfold here. I don't see original holes. Well, that's a good sign. However, these do not look like original staples. Okay, we'll take some measurements on the staples once we get them out, and if they came from an office stapler, we'll know immediately because the measurements will be wrong. All right, well, please come with me on this journey, and we'll see how much of this book can be saved, and we'll see what it looks like. And as always, if you like what you see here at the channel, please like and subscribe. I try to put out a video at least once a week that's supposed to be educational and to help you conserve your comics and make your collection last for years to come.